You like my hair now? Yeah, I gotta fix this sign and a few stuff there and there. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad. It's going good well, pretty good, right? Not bad. Alright, we got egg. Cut this bad boy up. Just wanna, that's it. Wow. Oh, yeah, that's the stuff. Rather. Now, Tosutaro, you lit. What do you mean? It's outside, I turned it on? I don't know. That's up. Yo, Charisma, why you gotta hurt my boy Toshitaro's feelings, bro? Why you gotta hurt them? Why, Charisma? Why? Alright. Oh my god, what, yo, what's happening in the chat? Oh my god, what am I reading? What am I reading? You guys know, I went to a school where I went to Douglas, right? I mean, YOLO, right? Alright, nice thin piece of chicken. Ima, can you lower the volume a little, please? Ima, can you please lower the volume? Thank you. Okay. There we go. So we got some nice thin pieces of the breast. And right here, and right here, we got a little nugget, a chicken finger. I mean, two chicken fingers, and then a nice thin piece. See that? Technically, it's not wrong. Alright. I don't know what the hell is wrong with you, but alright, so now I'm gonna take this. Actually, let's put the other pieces first. And then I'm literally just gonna take my hands and ooh, gooey. Okay. Now I'm going to break the breadcrumbs. Okay, I'm gonna smash them honestly. Check this out. Need a bagger or something. Alright, so check this out. See how I got it in the bag, right guys? Who see this in the chat? Let me know if you see this in the chat. Let me know if you see this. Smash, Hulk smash! Hulk smash, Hulk smash! getting really powdery. Oh. Is anyone in the chat? Hello, hello? 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 Anyone in the chat? Say yes if you're in the chat. So I know you're there. Say yes. Yes. Alright, no one's in the chat? QQ. Check this out. Okay. Hey, what's up, Boston? Check this out. Yeet. This is the pretzels that I literally just took this hammer and bah, bah, smashed it. Oh. Then the pepper got up my nose. Oh. Oh. So now I'm gonna take my chicken. My chicken with egg, dip it in here, and then move it over here and let it cook. How does it taste? Honestly, I have no idea. This is the first time I'm ever trying this combo out. Honestly, I'm not even gonna eat it from, maybe I'll try a little piece, but I'm not even gonna eat it from me because this looks like it's killing me. A few pieces of this literally kills my belly. I could not imagine eating this, bro. I'm sorry, but like this, I think I would actually go to the hospital. Half a Chipotle bowl fucks my belly. We got the straight buffalo sauce / Chipotle. Nah, GG, I'm dying. I'm going to Havana in the sky, literally. Alright. So now, dip it. Hold on, I need a dry hand. My right hand is a dry hand. Use my right hand. Hell yeah. Alright, you see that covering? You see that crumb? Ho ho. Perfect. Oh yeah. Might have to crush some more. But yo, honestly, look at this. Check this out. Chat, check this out. Where's the chicken? Can someone tell me where the chicken is, please? these are the ones that are frying are coming out good nicely. Oh my god. I literally just look back. Oh my god, even this one's coming out nicely. Hold on. Oh my god. Yo, this is gonna be a new in 2025, no, 2020 like two, bro. This is gonna be a dish like in restaurants, I swear. I can't eat anything that looks good for me. Looks gross. Hey, don't judge it before you eat it. I'm trying it for the first time, bro. Don't knock it till you try it. Alright. Bro, I mean, like, doesn't like, whatchamacallit, doesn't, Burger King have, like, like, hot Cheeto chicken thing? So, just replace Cheetos with pretzels, bro. That's it, yo. Cheetos with pretzels. I still have some more time. It's coming out pretty good, honestly. Ooh. I can smell it. And it actually smells like it's coming along pretty fire. Like I smell like, ooh, I smell, oh, I might actually eat, I might eat a piece and I might feel the pain, but oof. Oh my god. You put nah. I put hot buffalo pretzels and I literally smashed them in this bag and then I use that as breadcrumbs, bro. I'm about to make some more. Yo, you know people are starting to put Nutella and peanut butter on briskets and they're aging it through, they're either aging it through heat, smoker, or, what I meant dry heat. And smoker is actually like more of a barbecue type situation. And through preservatives as well. People are actually doing some crazy stuff with meat nowadays, yo. Alright. Oh my god. This looks incredible. Oh my god. Yo, honestly, I don't want to, yo, honestly, you don't even want to see what that, you don't even want to see what that looks like. Give it a little more time. The first one's almost done. Oh my god. Alright, so now I'm going to have to make some more. This is too beautiful. Oh my god. Yo, I'm about to pull one up. Hold on, I'm about to pull one up to you guys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm about to pull one up to you guys. Oh my god. Nah, get the hell out of here. You can't tell me what the hell is this? Make me that? By the way, Charisma, are you in the chat still? Didn't you redeem some channel points? I'm sorry. I've been busy. I forgot. No one mentioned me till literally now till I saw more channel points. Make me that? Put eggs on it. Well, I put eggs in the batter with the chicken. So it's like sticking. The chicken is sticking, you know, it's a wet, and then it's going for a dry / the thing and the frying, clamping it together. So yeah, chili pepper. No, just that. This is just you know. I give you 10 points. 10 out of what? So fast, you re-natural. What do you mean by that? 10 out of 10? Hold on. Let me scroll up. TTV stand redeemed animation cancellation. Alright, I think that's all of them. Yep. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Alright, well, I think one of them is done. Actually, no, I had a little more time. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can finish the rest. And honestly, there's a bunch of different flavors. There's whatchamacallit, something cheese, this, and jalapeno. So honestly, I can, you know, you can play around. Aqua plays Jack. Yo, what's up, Aquas? Yo, did you just sub to me? I don't think I recognize your name. Yo, if you just subbed to me, appreciate it. Sorry that I can't see the widgets. I'm just using Twitch, the Twitch application for Streamlabs because it's going to lag. So, but thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you did, thank you. All right, I think it's done now. It's done. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, chat. Oh my God, it's beautiful, chat. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, my hands are shaking. I'm touching a God's domain. Oh, my hands are shaking. Oh. God's domain is in my hands. I praise thou chicken. Thou chicken, save me. They're not subbed? Oh, I thought it was subbed. Rip. That aqua one looks like one of my emotes. Rip. Why is it not burnt? Well, it's fried. Technically, I mean, you can't. Listen. The reason why, okay, first of all, this is deep fried. So it's deep fried. Second of all, the stuff that I did the other time was pan fried. So, and not only was it pan fried, I wanted it to be a little burnt. so it'll be like the kind of like the chipotle. So when I add the soy sauce with the little left oil and the fat from the chicken, I wanted it all to make it to a little broth type situation. So honestly, calculated. Alright. Let me just do this real quick. Pain in the ass. Honestly. Just making sure my oil ain't gonna flare up on me. Okay, now this is one hella looking piece of chicken, if I don't say myself. Oh yes! Alright, one more piece and that's it. My hell is over. My wet, dry hand. Yo, honestly, have you ever had something wet or like hot and cold in either hand and it's just annoying? That's how it is right now for me. Like wet and dry, hot and cold, you know, sticky and soapy, you know. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna let it soak through the sides. Alright, keep up with chat. I said you can only cook charcoal on this channel. Type of situation. Yo, what's up, Andy? What's up, FN? Yo, Andy, I upgraded you to editor. I upgraded Dan to editor. I upgraded Kirito to editor. I upgraded Karishma. If he ever comes back on, and we're gonna tell him till he left. That gives you more privilege for the channel. So check this out, yo. Okay. Felicito! I see. Your own invention? Well, I believe this is my own invention. Well, some people have said they've seen this. I have never seen this, so I don't know. Honestly, I think this is also too hard for my stomach, Andy. I might take one little piece, but it's gonna be for my sister for sure. Yo, let me know if the internet gets worse, the connection right now. Let me know. It's good. Thank you. Hot buffalo pretzel breadcrumb fried chicken. That's what this is. This piece I know is not done. I'm just moving it. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Let's see how these came out. Oh, this one, oh, it's so done. It's screaming for it to be taken. It's take me out, take me out, take me out. Oh my goodness. Yo. This, oh my. Too hot, too spicy for the pepper over here. That's all I know. Too spicy for the pepper. Alright,